Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some exciting news straight from the tech world. Google has taken a bold step by revealing their upcoming Pixel 9 Pro, following a series of leaks. We'll be diving into all the details, the features, and what you can expect from the upcoming launch. So, stay tuned. Let's start with the big news. Google has officially shown us the Pixel 9 Pro. Why? Because leaks had already given away so much about the phone, including hands-on videos and detailed comparisons. Rather than keep us guessing, Google decided to confirm the design and give us an early look. Smart move, right? In a brief video, Google teased some exciting features of the Pixel 9 Pro. They highlighted AI and Gemini, which promise to bring some impressive capabilities to the device. And guess what? You can already sign up for more information on Google's online store, where there's another image of the phone waiting for you. Mark your calendars for August 13th. Google is hosting an event at their HQ in California to show off more about the Pixel 9 lineup and other upcoming devices. With regulatory filings hinting at 4 new phones, the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold. It's going to be an event you won't want to miss. Leaks and rumors have kept us busy speculating, but soon we'll get official confirmations. And from what we've seen, the Pixel 9 Pro is shaping up to be a powerhouse. Let's break down some of its teased features. First up, the camera. Google is introducing some cool features. Not capturing the right moment? Best Take has you covered. Sky not perfect? Magic Eraser will fix that. Annoying photo bombers? Use Magic Eraser again. Blurry photos? Unblur in Google Photos. Want more scenery? There might be image generation tools. And for those concert videos that look too far away, Zoom Enhance should help, though it was only announced for photos so far. Now, let's talk about calling features. Tired of being on hold? Use Hold for Me. Can't hear the other person? Clear calling improves call quality. Hate screening calls yourself? Let Call Screen handle it. Next, Gemini features. Too many emails? Summarize them. Need specific info from videos? Ask this video. Got writer's block? Help Me Write will assist. Bored of the same old memes? Try image generation. And there's more. The Pixel 9 Pro is rumored to have Live Translate for overcoming language barriers, a screenshot feature that can index contents like recall. With just under a month to go, we won't have to wait long to see these features in action. The Pixel 9 Pro promises to bring innovation and convenience right to our fingertips. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.